Prime Minister chairs a meeting to review response and preparedness for cyclone Remal. Remember that the cyclone is expected to make landfall at midnight tonight in the state of West Bengal. Advisories have been issued. Flight operations in Kolkata, in fact, have been suspended till tomorrow morning, and all preparedness on high alert on ground also in the state of Odisha as well. But the maximum impact of the approaching cyclonic storm will be felt in the state of West Bengal, the coastal areas in the state of West Bengal. The Prime Minister, they're taking cognizance of the preparedness. My colleague Piyush Mishra is joining us over the phone line for more on this. Piyush, the Prime Minister, of course, taking a break from his busy and hectic campaigning schedule to review preparedness for cyclone Remal as Bengal braces itself.
Well, certainly, following a couple of minutes back, Prime Minister has chaired a meeting to review the response and the preparedness for cyclone Remal. Cyclone Remal is all set to make a landfall today at midnight between Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coast, and this is the information which we also received from IMD. In that particular meeting, the top officials of Prime Minister's office were present. IMD chief was also present. IRF chief was also there. So top officials were present, and Prime Minister has chaired this crucial meeting. Remember that IMD has also said that it is very likely to continue to move nearly northwards, intensify further across Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal cross between Sagar Island and Tripura. So, looking at the current situation, Prime Minister has chaired this crucial meeting, and the most likely we can expect some sort of decisions taken by the Prime Minister's office.
Okay, Piyush, thank you so much for bringing us all of those details. Now, in the state of West Bengal, severe cyclone Remal is headed to the state's coastal region. Red alerts and advisories have been issued in West Bengal's coastal districts ahead of severe cyclonic storm Remal. Coast Guards and administration are monitoring the real-time situation continuously. As per the Met Department, Remal cyclone will bring extremely heavy rainfall and strong winds in Bengal's south and north 24 Parganas districts. The cyclone is expected to make landfall on the coast of Bengal by midnight today. With red alert in Bengal's coastal regions, an orange alert has been issued for Kolkata, Howrah and Purba Mednipur districts. Odisha is also bracing for the impact of the cyclonic storm. Some regions in the state of Odisha have also been put on high alert.
चक्रवात रिमल की आहट धीरे धीरे तेज हो रही है। इस वक्त हम लोग दक्षिण 24 परगना के बकखाली में हैं और मेरे पीछे जो समुद्र है उसकी लहरें धीरे धीरे ऊंची हो रही हैं, क्योंकि अभी भी काफी वक्त है। लेकिन जब ये तूफान टकराएगा तब इसकी गति 110 से 120 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार होगी और जो गस्टिंग स्पीड है, जो झोंका होगा, वो 135 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से होगा। बारिश लगातार हो रही है, काफी सारा पानी लेकर ये तूफान आ रहा है। ऐसे में आशंका व्यक्त की जा रही है कि काफी नुकसान हो सकता है। एनडीआरएफ की टीम, एसडीआरएफ की टीम, इसके अलावा स्टेट प्रशासन, सभी को अलर्ट रखा गया है। कंट्रोल रूम खोले गए हैं और कोशिश की जा रही है कि नुकसान किसी भी हद तक कम किया जा सके।